It's another gorgeous day at a campsite not far from Opus HQ in Suffolk, and competition is heating up for our 4 contestants. Using only the cooking features available in the Opus, and with just 30 minutes to prep, cook and plate, our chagrined chefs will present their dish and the others will score the meal. The winner gets bragging rights in the office, and the loser has to do the washing up. How will our brave bakers, batterers and basters fare under the canvas? Will they manage their mirepoix? Will their roux bring ooze or booze? From the Mobile Opus studio, we invite you to come camp with me. Our resident Cat King, lead design engineer Toby, is next in line to grab the fish slice by the handle.
Absolutely bricking it. Very nervous. I'm someone that really likes my food, so I think there's probably quite high expectations. Whether or not I'll be able to perform is a complete different question. It's a Claire Smith dish. It's a monkfish dish that she did, I think, on a kind of Saturday Kitchen episode quite a few years back now, actually. I think more than anything, it'd just be a little bit different to kind of like cooking at home. Obviously, I don't have that oven to rely on for anything. I think the dish technically should use that at one point, but we're going to kind of go with it and see what we can get out of it.
Monkfish, morels and more broad bean shelling than you could shake an air beam at. Let's go over to the Mobile Opus studio.
Right, here's my dish. Who wants it?
All right.
Sam's going in. Dun, dun, dun.
What have we got? Well, I'm hoping for as much precision and care as you put into all of your design work, Toby.
Whoa.
Claire Smythe's monkfish with Iberico ham, peas, broad beans, morels and English asparagus.
That sounds very fancy. Sounds very good.
Tell me what's a morel?
Morel's a little mushroom.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Just cleaning them off, making sure they're all good.
Are they...
Looks like a razor clam.
Are they poisonous?
If I don't cook them, yes. But we're cooking them, so it's fine.
Ah, what's a little botulism between colleagues?
So there's potential that we could be very, very ill after this.
You know.
All the faith.
Yeah, exactly. I'm pretty faithful. I think it'll be good.
Looking forward to it.
Come die with me.
Most complicated dish so far.
All right, let's get out of this space, shall we?
Kick everyone out.
And with his own apron donned, let the countdown begin.
3, 2, 1, go.
God. Right, those peas are going to have to come out.
Well, you know, expectations are high.
Again, lower them. Butter.
Butter is on the top, or it was.
It was.
Behind the sink.
It's gone walkies. It's now rock solid.
Nice knob.
Whee.
Hey, watch the bad jokes, lads. Someone's after my job.
The problem is this section is taking a lot longer than I initially anticipated, not gonna lie. At least the skin is gone, eh? Yeah, so that's actually only for like a parsley butter.
Toby, you've got 21 minutes left.
You what? I've used nearly a third of it already. Oh, this is gone. This is gone.
I think you're doing very well.
Yeah, but I've not started cooking the main things yet. Right, I'm gonna halve the morels. Now, the reason for that, more than anything, is just checking that there's nothing inside it, because you can get a little like
What could be inside it?
creepy crawlies, dirt, the things that will poison you. Okay. No, I don't think so. It comes from Saturday Kitchen. I think it's quite a genuine. Like, you could do this anywhere. Like you say, like I'm doing it in an Opus.
It's
No, but like, it's home cooking. It's home cooking, isn't it?
You don't need specialist equipment.
No, you don't, exactly. Very good, very nice. Not singing as much as I normally do when I'm cooking.
Adele is on the phone, Toby. She wants a duet.
I don't know how much it said to put in. I have absolutely no idea, so I'm just putting some in. I'm coming back.
You need the pan. You need the pan.
Whoa. All the fish and asparagus in that one pan. It's bold. It's bold. Just gonna take the ends off because sometimes they're a bit woody.
So what have we got going in now? The broad beans?
Yeah, they're going in. I don't think the sauce has reduced as much as it should have done, but we're going with it. Why not?
So how is the how is the Iberico being used?
Goes on after.
10 minutes left.
10 minutes?
10 minutes. 10 minutos.
Always let your fish rest. Also, don't put your hand in the pan like this because oil is hot.
We're being generous.
40 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That could not have been any better time.
What a mess. Right, now the cameras are off. How much extra time did you actually give me?
No, that
You didn't?
Yeah, you did it. None at all.
And with all the precision of a laser, the dish is done. Time to see what the rest of the gang think.
This is the monkfish Claire Smith recipe. Monkfish wrapped in Iberico ham, asparagus, there's some broad beans and peas in there with kind of like parsley butter, and then morel mushrooms as well.
Amazing. I'm cleaning up. I'm cleaning up.
I'm not unhappy.
Importantly, Toby, what is your verdict here?
The fish
I
is
know.
delicious.
Time was a limiting factor. I think the peas maybe are massively overdone.
I don't even mind that the morels look like lungs. It's really delicious.
I didn't sleep last night. I didn't say that. Honestly,
Really?
I properly didn't sleep.
Really?
Well, cheers to a
Cheers.
wonderful, very nice meal.
Better than the dish.
So, these messy eaters have done their duty. Let's hear the scores.
What did you think?
I think he was very extravagant with the budget. I think he did very well on timings, considering. Yeah, it was delicious. I think maybe there were some adaptations to the dish because of the time constraints.
I think Toby perhaps feels that he let himself down a little bit, maybe with the timing, and maybe he would have liked to puree the pea bed that it was on. But actually, I think there was an enormous amount of sort of opportunity with that meal, and it really pulled through. It was absolutely delicious. The monkfish was perfectly cooked.
But all in all, a very, very flavourful dish. But mentioning them points and the fact that it was an ambitious dish and didn't have time to get the sauce right, I have scored Toby a 7.
Toby's meal gets a solid 8.
I think I would go for an 8.
Toby's monkfish, scoring 23 out of 30, putting him in a slim lead. Well done, that man. You've earned a stiff drink. Well, calm down. You're still on the clock. Join us again next time for another contestant on Come Camp With Me, presented by Opus.